Just like animals, animals like animals moves. And maybe you think that you can hide. I can smell yourself from miles. Just like animals, animals like animals moves. Baby, I'm back. So what you trying to do to me? It's like we can't stop, we're enemies. And when we get low, when I'm inside you, you're like a drug that's killing me. I cut you out entirely, but I get so high when I'm inside you. Yeah, you can start over, you can run free, you can find other fish in the sea. You can pretend it's meant to be, but you can't stay away from me. I can still hear you making that sound, taking me down, rolling on the ground. You can pretend that it was me, but no. Oh, baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals like animals moves. And maybe you think that you can hide. I can smell yourself from miles. Just like animals, animals like animals.
Ooh, now all I wanna do is dance away the nerve. She got me feeling like I don't wanna be alone. She got me thinking like I don't know what I'm here for. But you know, baby, I'm just having a good time, yeah. You got me feeling lucky, you got me love stoned, you got me going crazy, tripping like I'm on one. But you know, darling, I'm just here for a good time, yeah. Ooh, don't drop me, Mr. Operator. Ooh, don't tell me that you call me later. You told me that you showed me a good time, a real good time. I heard it through the grapevine. Ooh, she wants to party with me. She wants, 'cause we had a great time. Ooh, now all I wanna do is dance away the night with you. Ooh, she wants to party with me, 'cause we had a great time.
Domesticated girl, that's all you ask of me. Darling, it is no joke, this is lycanthropy. The moon's awake now, with eyes wide open. My body is craving, so feed the hungry. I've been devoting myself to you Monday to Monday and Friday to Friday. Not getting enough retribution or decent incentives to keep me at it. I'm starting to feel just a little abused, like a coffee machine in an office. So I'm gonna go somewhere cozy to get me a lover and tell you about it. Here's how she wove in the closet, open up and set her free. And here's how she wove in the closet, let it out so it can breathe. Sitting across the bar, staring right at her prey. It's going well so far, she's gonna get her way. Nocturnal creatures are not so prudent. The moon's my teacher, and I'm her student. To look at the single man, I got on me a special radar. On the fire department hotline in case I get in trouble later. Not looking for cute little divas or rich city guys who just want to enjoy. Having a very good time and behave very bad in the arms of a boy. Here's how she wove in the closet,